Hello and welcome to IT 130. This will be your first training video, and this is graphic design IT 130 at Salem International University. So what we're going to do here is learn how to start a new project. All projects can be 1000 by 1000 DPI. It doesn't really matter what the size. However, if you're using this, then some of your assignments, when you turn them in, they'll all be uniform. So it'll be easier for me to grade and open them up and so forth. But anyway, how do we get started? So what we're going to do is we're going to go into Photoshop, click on File and New. Here, your Adobe Photoshop will not be set to 1000 by 1000. This will be set to whatever it was the last time you opened it up and played in Photoshop. I'm not sure what the default settings are because it's been a long time since I've had this installed. I used it a lot. So anyway, what you want to do is giving it a name at this point really isn't necessary. What we can do is just put in 1000 on the pixels and set the resolution to 100 dpi. And the resolution there is just saying it's a 1:1. If you're going to print this out larger, let's say you want to print out a 24 by 36 image, which is a huge DPI, then you may want to set your resolution to 300. So when I go to print with these in poster size, I always set it to 300. That way I know that I get a larger or a higher quality image. So, all right, so what we're going to do is just click OK. And you can see up here at the top, we have an untitled image. We're looking at 66%. So sometimes I'll ask students, what am I looking at? And really, the answer is 66%. So I'm going to come down to the magnifying glass here on the left and click on one time. And this is 1:1. This is what it would look like if you were to hit print. So if I'm zoomed in, if I left click and left click, you can see the images is just going to get more pixelated. I can right click and tell it to fit the screen and go back, or I can right click and tell it to zoom out. You do have a zoom in and out tool up here. I currently am on the plus, which is the zoom in. But if I click on the minus and left click on the screen, I'm going to zoom out. If I click on the plus up here, it's going to zoom in. So anyway, this is how you're going to get started working in all of your projects, whether it's the Eiffel Tower project or creating your name project. And there's going to be several new projects because I have nothing but graphic design for this course, and it's going to be great. So anyway, if you have any questions, give me a call. You can reach me at 304-326-1471. Or if you prefer, which I prefer, is if you text me at 694-4991. Again, that's area code 304-694-4991. Thank you.